Hi everyone, this is a Swiza Quartz. The hands look familiar, that look like the same hands they used on some hand-mined models. And this seems to be quite a modern quartz. It's got a quartz alarm. See how it beeps every second, or within every second. And it's got a nice cover to cover the back completely. It's also brass. The whole casing is made from brass. And this knob might also look familiar, but this is not for turning or adjusting. This is the pull lever, the pull knob for the back cover. And this whole cover opens. Oh, there's still a clip here at the top, spring clip, and then a hook at the bottom. That's typical Swiza style, with the foot piece screwed in. This is a rechargeable battery. It's just an AA size. And what is nice about this movement is that it doesn't use pressure contacts like the modern quartzes, but it's still wired. And I think the chemical reactions cannot be transferred through the wires, or at least if the battery leaks, that is. I think the acid cannot react to the wires, but to maybe to the nickel plates, and the chemical reaction gets transferred maybe by electrolysis to the PC board. But in this case it seems like the movement was preserved because of the wiring. And that little screw there is not for the cover, but that is actually a trimmer or an adjustable capacitor, and that is what's used to adjust the accuracy of the clock. It's very nice. You don't see that on modern quartzes. And this is the alarm adjustment, the alarm time setting, and this is for the time setting. It's a push and turn, and it's got a hacking mechanism. It's an electronic switch. I'll push it. There you can see hacked and ready to adjust the time. Released. Sometimes it feels like this cover is not 100% flat. You press it down here and it will jump up on the other side, but nevertheless, I think it's very neat. Thanks for watching.